Again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery with a 10-inch round canvas and some pillow paint, which is black onyx. Oh, wow, there's more there than I was anticipating, shall we say. I was going to put some white down there, and maybe I will put a little white through that. Just because I can, and why not? Throw that rice bowl cover and that spatula into the bucket. Spread this out a little bit. Use my white, also Color Place semi-gloss. Alright, who knows how this is going to be. I'm going to use some pink diamond. I'm going to use Color Art Prizm Pours. And I'm going to try and go light. So I'm going to use, that was pink diamond, this is Claret. And then I'm going to use, I think, Baltic Amber. Yeah. And maybe a little pink dahlia. Because it's awesome. There is a promo code below the video for 20% off. If you're watching on some device where you can't get that promo code for some reason, just ask me. I'll get back to you in comments. Do I want to sneak a little water dragon in there? I think I do. I have to get myself some square containers. All my mixtures are mixed with Vivid Polypore and GAC 800. I have a spatula. It came from a batch of spatulas. There were like 5 for a really good price. That's a number 10. And I'm going to use my, I think, yes. I'm going to use a combination of Dioxazine Purple, which is a Master's Touch, and some Amsterdam White, both mixed into Aussie Floetrol. I kind of want those to go all the way over. And it's a shame that I'm going to have to spin that out. I'm going to let my paint relax right on the edge there, because I see no reason why not. Just going to wipe it off all the way around. That's pretty cool. I have a pour tray now. I don't want to tip it. And there is GAC 800 in all my mixtures, but I need to tip it to let some of the paint stretch out and go over the edges. And I'm afraid I'm going to lose some really neat stuff. Oh well, que sera, sera. I suppose I could go back over it again, but I really like what I've got. And my edges are all covered. How nice is that? Well, they were except for those 2 spots. And I've got a rather large lump there. Those might be air bubbles. That might be something I want to remove. Either way, they need to be dealt with. Oh, this is very cool. I'm glad I gave myself permission to stretch it out. Didn't save any of my water dragon at all. And I am going to take off all the extra paint from underneath right now as best I can. Yeah, that's pretty awesome. I need to rinse my hands off. I'm so sorry. I will return in a moment. There's too much paint on my hands. Now I see there's a couple of things that I probably could have changed, but it's not really too late to add the occasional spiral. And my tray comes right off easily. That's just tremendous. I love this. Do I want to put something else in there? Oh, I could. I could put some water dragon in there. And what, blow it out? Yeah, maybe. Maybe put a little tiny bit of white cell activator in there. Let's put a little purple in there too. Don't need a black spot. That's very cool. I don't know which way the prettiest way up is. I'm going to try and shoot you a shimmer. And then I'm going to zoom in and do the same thing, hopefully. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. And I think, if I'm really lucky, you forgive me for being away for a moment. I'm going to bring it back and show you even more closely. How tremendously beautiful that is. Wow! Sparkle City. So thank you guys for being here. I hope you come again. I post 7 days a week. Come on, behave. I'm sorry, I'm not the most adept. My camera does not lend itself. It is not a cell phone. Thank you for the thumbs up. Thank you for watching longer. Thank you for shopping my Amazon link. Helps me out. Looking, my 2 books are there because I can, and unlimited possibilities. Thank you guys for joining my monthly drawing by making a donation through PayPal, whose icon is on the bottom right hand corner of my YouTube channel, and the link is on the link tree. When you do so, you will be automatically invited to join the monthly drawing, and you can see the prizes at the beginning of the exhibition video I include on the end screen of this video in the last 20 seconds. Oh, that was a mouthful. My link tree is below Show More, underneath the promo code for color art and hopefully the colors for this. And I really like this. It's really different. Beautiful colors. The purple, oh boy, I love what that purple did. Anyway, thank you for everything. Thank you for boosting my morale with your wonderful comments. I'm not going to torch, but I'm going to look for bubbles, and I will pop them with a sharp stick. My paint pouring recipes, my bloom recipes, my cell activator recipes should all be under the video. If you have questions, feel free to ask. My community board will show you tomorrow's video. My link tree will show you Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Appreciation Group, my Facebook group for students, Expressionist Art Studio Gallery totes and more for shopping, pixels.com, Fine Art America, also on the link tree, as well as Le Gallerist and Spring Clothing and Society 6. Society 6 is also on the link tree, and so is Le Gallerist, actually. And they're well worth looking at. I give lessons at the house in Spring Hill, Florida. I do sell my artwork once in a while, and it helps my studio survive really well. So if you're inclined, I would love to help you with any information you might want to have from me about purchasing an artwork. Whatever I haven't told you here would be, I have 2,300 videos, and if you would like to have information about anything, I have them organized by topic and genre and by the 100. So feel free to ask. If you have questions, you're welcome to ask. If I have answers, I'll give them to you, and if I don't know, I'll tell you that too. I want to say, this is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery saying, that was fun. Thank you for joining me. You inspire the heck out of me. It looks like, upside down, it looks like a blue eye. Like a sultry blue eye. Ha! Anyway, we'll see you on. Bye for now. Priscilla out. Take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. I post 7 days a week, by the way. Somewhere between noon and, I don't know. Yeah, there we go. Noon and I don't know. Eastern Standard Time. Bye for now. I'll see you anon. Priscilla out.